Welcome to our channel today. We're exploring the world of cryptocurrency. From Bitcoin to blockchain, let's dive in and discover what crypto is all about. What is crypto? Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or institution. Number 1. Digital. Crypto exists only in digital form, unlike traditional currencies that have a physical form. Number 2. Decentralized. Crypto is not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or institution. Number 3. Cryptography. Crypto uses advanced mathematical algorithms to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Number 4. Crypto transactions are recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain, which ensures the integrity and security of the network. Number 5. Limited supply. Most cryptos have a limited supply of coins or tokens, which helps to prevent inflation. How does crypto work? Mining. New crypto coins or tokens are created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical problems. Transactions. Crypto transactions are made directly between individuals without the need for intermediaries like banks. Wallets. Crypto is stored in digital wallets, which can be accessed through software or hardware. Exchanges. Crypto can be bought and sold on online exchanges, similar to traditional currencies. Types of crypto. Number 1. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known crypto, launched in 2009. Number 2. Altcoins, alternative cryptos, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Number 3. Tokens, digital assets issued on top of another blockchain, such as ERC-20 tokens on the Ethereum network. Number 4. Stable coins, cryptos pegged to the value of a traditional currency, such as the US dollar. Benefits of crypto. Number 1. Fast and cheap. Crypto transactions are processed quickly and at a lower cost compared to traditional banking systems. Number 2. Secure. Crypto transactions are secured through cryptography and the blockchain. Number 3. Decentralized. Crypto is not controlled by any central authority, giving users more control over their funds. Number 4. Financial inclusion. Crypto provides access to financial services for underserved communities. Risks and challenges. 1. Volatilization. Crypto prices can fluctuate rapidly, making them a high-risk investment. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. Crypto is still largely unregulated, and governments may impose restrictions in the future. 3. Security risks. Crypto exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacking and theft. For adoption, crypto is still not widely accepted as a form of payment. Conclusions. Crypto is a rapidly evolving field that offers a new way to think about money and financial transactions. While it has its benefits and risks, crypto has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and provide greater financial inclusion for underserved communities. Want to learn more about cryptocurrency? Check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crypto content. Thanks for watching. We're passionate about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated.